Today we are going to use Notion to create a personal product management gallery. In this gallery, we can add new items. For each item, we can add its corresponding image, purchase date, and purchase price. Notion will help us calculate how long we've owned this item and analyze the daily usage value. We can also tag each item as either using or out of date. And this chart shows the total value and distribution of all your products. Okay, let's get started. First, we can add a new database. And we can call the database as product. We can also hide this title. Then we'll set for main property. The first property is name, and the second property is a select property. It describes the product type. The third property is the purchase date, and the fourth property is the product price. We take a fresh perfume as an example. The description of this product is perfume, and we bought it in July 1st, and we change the date format, and we assume the price is 50. Then we will add some formulas to enrich our content. The first formula is date formula. I have put these formulas under the video. You can copy it directly. The second formula is the formula to show the price. Then we add a formula to show how long we hold this product, and we call it date range. Now we can see we have held this perfume for 2 days. Okay, the next formula is to analyze the daily use value. Because this formula is too long, so you can copy it directly. Then we add a tag to know this product is in use or out of date. Okay, the first product is finished. We can add the second product. We only need to fill out the 4 main property because the others will be generated automatically. Then we record the other products, and we change the layout to gallery. Now these items are blank. We need to make some properties visible. Now we can see the content. Then we enter the item and add the image. Now the gallery is finished, and we change the size to small. Then we add a chart to show the total price of our product and the distribution. We use a donut chart, and each slice represents the total price for one type. We can choose different colors and different size. We can see that the electronic products account for the largest proportion. This is my first video, and thank you for watching.